Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl DIDY Signature. So today's video is going to be a detailed brow tutorial video. So I notice a lot of people struggle with drawing their brows, so I decided to do this tutorial video for you guys, and I hope that you're able to learn something from it. Actually, I just finished taming her brows. I can't actually remember the name of the tamer, but I'm going to leave it in the description box. So right now I'm using a flat angle brush from Glam and a brow gel from Keyvn Esther in the shade Ebony. I'm just trying to outline the brows. So I'm going to fill up the brows using a black pencil from Aucion. Light-handedly, I'm just going to fill in every space left, trying to give it that natural strokes. So right now I'm using my flat angle brush from Glam, and I'm using her concealer shade. I can't actually remember, but I'll put it in the description box. So I'm just defining the brows. I love my brows to look very neat and crisp, so I'm using a buffing brush to blend out that concealer. So I'm doing the same thing for the brow bone. If you can watch closely, I'm just placing and dragging. So I'm dragging so that I don't leave that chunk deposit of concealer just at the brow bone. So right now I'm using the leftover from my angled brush to just clean the top of the brow, so not like I'm packing or taking so much concealer, just the leftover, and I'm just slightly cleaning on top of the brow. So I don't want to have that white cast just showing on top of the brows. So right now I'm going in with a powder shade, or a shade slightly lighter than her powder shade, and I'm going to set the brow bone or rather I'm setting the brow bone, the concealer on the brow bone. Yeah, so I think I used the MAC mineralized powder in the shade dark. So I'm using the leftover from the concealer, and I'm just trying to create like light strokes in between her brow hair to give that natural feeling and to make sure that it doesn't look too bulky. You can see how good looking this brow is. Like, I'm feeling it so much. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please turn on your post notification, share my videos to your friends, tell them about DIDY signature. I really appreciate you guys watching my video. I know I've not been consistent. It hasn't been easy for me trying to put myself together. Things haven't been so easy for me, but I'm trying my best to put out content. Please support a creator. Please watch my videos. I have other interesting videos on my channel that you can actually watch. Please go watch the rest of my videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.